Hi, today I'm going to teach you how to replace your death sound in Roblox. If you want the original oof sound, you can also do that. But if you haven't made the game yet, select create new experience. I'm on my base plate. What you need to do is to play the game on Roblox Studio and go to view, select explorer, select players, and then select your avatar name. Now what you're going to do is to player scripts and find RBX character sounds. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click and copy. After that you can exit. Okay. What you need to do now is to find starter player and right click starter player scripts. Right click and paste into. Okay, now that we have the RBX character sounds with the starter player scripts, they should work easily. Okay, let's open the script. Here we go. Now here you can change the death sound, the free falling sound, getting up, jumping, landing, running, splash, swimming. Yeah. Now let's get our audio. I'm going to open my toolbox and select sound effect. I'm just going to search death so I can find the oof sound easily. Oh, here we go. Original Roblox death sound. Let's insert and let's just right click it. Select properties from view. After selecting properties, find sound ID and copy. Control C. Let's just go to the script and delete the sound ID, or you can just simply select it all and press Ctrl V so it will replace the sound ID. Okay, so we're done here. I'm just going to test it real quick. Let's reset. And there we have it. Thanks so much for watching, and I'm going to do more videos of Roblox Studio if I can. See ya.